Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the settings for gameplay recording on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Gaming. In Gaming Settings, select Captures. Here in Capture Settings, you can change some settings to make the recording experience better for you. You can enable or disable Record What Happened, which will save recent gameplay when something cool happens. You can also change the max recording length, choose to capture audio in recordings, change the video frame rate and video quality when recording, and more. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.